Good morning children, back to the class. So dear children, what we are first 7th students, English first. In last class we were discussing about what? About the models, isn't it? And I have told you to revise the definition and see the exercise, whatever it is there. I have told. How many you are following? No one is following the video. So while we see the viewers, we can understand. So in your class, 38 are there. Not even single one is watching the video. So how you will understand? Very soon you will get for that also punishment. So please watch the video, then only you will understand. Without watching nothing you can understand. Grammar mainly you have to follow the classes. So let us go to the lesson before wasting time. Without wasting any time. So let us see the lesson number 11, models. Before definition and what is the model, how the models, what are the models we have to see. I hope you all are remembering that. What is the model? How the modal verb is a type of verb that used in indicate the modal. So indicate the modality, that is a how differently, like a respectively, or any attitude or action, certain of the action when we want to do, or all these points we will. And what are the models mainly we use? Shall, will, what are that? Shall, will, the next one can, may, and for past tense what are the things we use? Shall, should, will, could, and can, could. Next may, might, and must. All these things, and many are there. Not only this, there are so many. So all that things we will be while doing the exercise wise, then we can understand. So now let us see the one paragraph type exercise they have given. I will tell you there from 2, 3, this one, then you can understand. Complete the sentences using the models given in the box. In the box they have given the models. What are the models there are there? Will, can. The next one what are there? Will, can, cannot, can't. The next may, must. May, must. So some more are there. All these things, with the help of this you can fill out the blanks. The first one, Tina's flight from Colombo. So what is that one? Tina's flight from Colombo dash arrived any moment. So it has not arrived. Arrived any moment. So what will be used there? Future tense. So what will come? Will. And these all models mainly where we will be using? In a future tense only we will be using. In that you have to remember all the will, can or cannot. All this future tense will mainly all when we want to do, not present, after later. So that time we will use it. So here Tina's flight from Colombo will arrive. Will arrive any moment. It has taken her more than 6 hours to reach. So Katando. So long time. Supposed to reach that time not. It has taken long time. 6 hours. So she dash be tired. She what? She dash be she. What we will do? Must be. She must be tired. Yes or no? So the word must we will be using. She must be tired after such a long journey. So whatever we do, she must be tired doing the housework. When so much work when we do, or long journey when we have done anything, must. Must means choice, chance is there. She or she may. Must be. I mean, she must be tired means long since because of the long journey. If you want to have a better, second one now. If you want to have a better idea about our city, you dash go around. So you dash dash go around. What we will be here? Which word? You should. You should go around. So you should go around and explore the city by yourself. Meeting different people on your way dash give you some idea. So on your way may give you some more ideas. This is the way you have to complete. And models they have given there, and just you have to see and complete. And you have while reading the sentence only you will understand. Remember that we are using all these things to say in the future and all. So you have to remember that much. Next, come to the page number 102. So here what they have given here, we will be uses of the modals will, next shall, will, shall. Next what is there? This one will, for will what is the past tense? Would. Next should. When these words mainly we will be using, we will see now. So here what they are telling, a simple future action for the first person with a FN6. So with FN6 means what? That importance we give. He will finish our work by tonight. So we will finish our work. We will finish our work. So here we will finish. We will. The word will be telling there. Here emphasis means it has to be. The what we say importance means that has to be. We will finish our work by tonight. Means you are telling by tonight it will be over. So will and all. So emphasize the future first person when we want to speak about that we will use. And to denote definitives about the future action. So about the future action means suppose he will be coming here by 8 o'clock or 8 a.m. So 8 a.m. p.m. is by tomorrow 8 a.m. is you are telling what you are telling future action. The train will reach on time. So you are telling on particular time he will be coming. So he will be coming tomorrow at 8 a.m. So he will be coming on that time. So the future action you are telling at a present. When he will come, at what time, which day and all you are telling beforehand. Here future action. For the future action we will be using the will. All these things for the will we are speaking. And next one what? Simple future action for the second and third person without emphasis. So simple future actions for the second and third person. Second person and third person we have to second and third person she, he, it. Second person means you and you they will be coming. So here what they are telling? Second person they, we, all, them, it will come. So here what they are telling? They will meet you tomorrow. Without emphasis means they will meet you tomorrow. It is not without emphasis means that much not clarity. So they will meet tomorrow. So surely they will surely it is not there. They will meet tomorrow means they may meet or may not. So here without emphasis means that much not clarity. But we are telling about the future for the second and third person we will be using this will when they want to have any meeting or anything means that is not cleared. Here what we can say this will here we use they will meet tomorrow means they will meet. If they won't come, no problem. So but they will meet tomorrow. Chances are there to meet you. Next which places we will be using decisions made or intention expressed on time of speaking. So a time of speaking is that time to express your intention. decisions. I will get the first first place in this year. You will say I will get the first studies. So when you say I will be the first in the class, I will be the first in the class, that is your decision or what you are taking intention. So that intention you have, you want to be. And suppose when you want to study also, I will be studying till 1 o'clock, or I will be studying till 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock night. So that is the intention or decision. You have taken the decision till this much time you have. And I will be getting, I will be the first in class. So that is your intention. So that you want to get. So for the when you want to express your intentions and decisions, then we can use the will. Next, when we can use anything, desire to, willingness to do something. So when you want to do anything, that time also we will use the will word. So I will be glad to teach you. So suppose now I am teaching, I will be glad to speak to you people on this particular moment. So anytime on Christmas or Teachers Day, if they have given you chance to express your feelings, means then I will be glad to express my feelings, means that there you are telling something when you want to tell willingly. So that time. The next, facts about the future. When we want to speak about the future plans, that time also we will be using the word will. This will be used in that moment also. Next, in this way they have given. When you do any action or given time regarding the future action or events. The next, formal announcements regarding some future event. So when you want to have any future events or any future plans, so that time also the Prime Minister will be delivering his speech tomorrow. Then delivery will be in next week. So that is something regarding that events. If you want, that time also we will be using the will word for the in the future. Then it's a respect, suggestion, order, anything when you want. Will you please help me? Will you give your pen to me? Or will you help me to go there? Or will you bring something from the market for me? So this will and all for order or suggestion or request. In all the moment we will use the will. Then next one, habit, that habits and the characteristics behavior. So for the habit, what do we have habit about the other person habit or a character about the habit that particular person, then only we will use this will. He will always be ready to help. So this will here, he is always ready to help, means will is here, that is his habit. Or he is a character, that is his character, that he always helps the people. Anything, she will be helping the poor students. So that her intent is, that is her character or that is her habit. So anything about our behavior, habits or about our particular person character, that time also we can use the word will. The next one is a shall. What is the next one? Shall. Then shall word, when we will use this shall word is used in a first person simple future action for the first person without an emphasis. So it is not that much clear. For first person we will be using this one. Shall word we will be using for the first person, that is without emphasis, means it is not that clear. I shall be home in an hour. So I shall be home in an hour. So shall here used. You will be in 1 hour, it may increase to 2 hours also. So that it is not his, he knows that he will come back, he shall come, but a little I shall be home, I shall be home in an hour, or in an hour we will in 2 hours, that may be it will goes. And with the then polite question. So when you want to ask any politely question, shall I get the taxi, shall I get your pen, shall I go home, like that things. An offer, when you want to give any offer or a suggestion or asking for advice, shall I have, so that time what shall I do for you, means when you want to ask any, if you want want to help others also, how you will? Asking the advice. How can I help you? Shall I help you in this particular situation? So, like that also we have to say. Next one, it will be used for higher degrees of formality, logical documents. The next one, for the third person with emphasis. When we are using the third person about he, she, it also we can use this shall word. The next one, this is the about the shell. The next one, shell of the could. What is this one next word? Could. This could word will be used in a will for the past tense could. Will for the past tense is could. That time we will be using the past tense of will. Instead of will we will be using the could. Anu said that Arun said he could go for a walk in the evening. So could and all in a past tense, and for the habit of the character, that time we will use polite request. We will use past refusal. Could you do means could you lend me some? Could you lend me your book? That time you can ask, or Java could not come here. So refusing. He told he could come, but he could not. So that time we will be would and all we will be using that in that places. Would word. Then should also same thing for the same way we will be using any duty or anything, and any intention when we have that time, and suggestion for or advice, probability, and next one condolation of for the first person. I should be glad if you could help me. So that time means in the should help me means in any problem is there. For the first person, mainly first and second person also we use. First person I and all, and second person we, or like that we will be using this word should. Word should will be used. This is about all uses of models. Mainly we have discussed in this class will, shall, could and should. Could and should. All these things we have discussed in this class. In next class we will see the exercise and we will continue. I hope till here you have understood. Please read out in your page number 1 or 2 it is there. If you read you can understand also. Thank you.